If you have a gas barbecue and you don't yet have a rotisserie kit, this is the video for you, my friends. In the kit, you get everything. It comes with a basket, you get 4 prongs. Now, I've already put the brackets on the side of the barbecue. It comes with different types of brackets to make sure it fits the type of fittings that you have on the side of your barbecue. You get 2 sets of prongs, that's 4. A counterbalance to make sure that you take strain off the motor and you're rotating evenly. And these, I don't know what these are called, but they're to make sure that, you know, the rotisserie spins within the bracket smoothly. All the components you need to transform a 4, 5, or 6 burner gas barbecue with a rotisserie attachment. Some sausages. We're going to run some barbecue corn. Grab the lid of your basket and secure it into position. Just clamp it down. Just make sure our food is nice and secure. Grab one of your prongs and thread it onto the skewer. Grab your chicken and just skewer it through the cavity. Link it up to the prongs, which will secure your chicken in place. Place on your counterbalance weight onto the skewer and just tighten it to lock it into position. Our next set of prongs go onto the skewer. Grab your lamb, grab your other prong, and secure your lamb. These pieces, they sit on the ends, and this is to make sure it's going to sit in the bracket, okay, of the rotisserie. So now that you've got all your pieces secure, it's time to get onto the barbecue. And from here, we just leave the hood of the barbecue open, let it keep spinning until it's cooked. And that, my friends, is a roast chook, roast lamb, some corn, sausages, all done on one thing. It's called a spit kit from Outdoor Magic. And then we have it, a barbecue roast platter on the spit kit, fit for a king.